everyone, in this video we're going to find the measured of numbered angles that are in triangles. So here's our first set. So for 15 we have to find the measure of this angle. Well, the sum of the angles has to equal 180 degrees. This is 90. So these angle 1 plus 30 has to equal 90 as well. So we can just mentally do that and know that is 60. So that's a 30, 60, 90 triangle. And then for 16, a little trickier. I know this is 60 based off number 15. And then with your vertical angle theorem, I know the measure of angle 2 equals 30. So measure of angle 2 is 30. That means when I add these two up, that gives us 100. So 70 degrees plus 30 degrees plus the measure of angle 3 should equal 180 degrees. So this is 100. You subtract 100 degrees from both sides. You get the measure of angle 3 equals 80 degrees. So this would be 80 degrees. All right, and then for 17, I know that we have 65. I'm looking at this smaller triangle here. We have 65 degrees plus 45 degrees plus the measure of angle 1 should equal 180 degrees. So 65 plus 45 is 110 degrees. Subtract 180 from both sides, or you can just kind of do this in your head. Let's do it in our head. We know this is 70. So basically, this measure of angle 1 equals 70 degrees. All right. Now so this is 70. Now for these two, I'm going to use my supplementary angle theorem and know that these three angles, this one, and this one, should equal 180. So I'm going to take 70 degrees plus 45 degrees plus the measure of angle 2 equals 180 degrees. So 70 plus 45 is 115. Subtract 115 from both sides, and you get your measure of angle 2. And that's going to be measure of angle 2 equals 65 degrees. So this is 65 degrees. And then you just add 65 with the 20 to get measure of angle 3. So measure of angle 3 plus, when you add these two, that's 85. 85 degrees equals 180. And then subtract 180, subtract 85 from both sides of the equation. And the measure of angle 3 would equal 95 degrees. And that's it on this. And then we have to do this last one. So let's look at it. We have a triangle, a right triangle. So that means this is 90 degrees. And this is the B. So we'll call this B, A, and C. So why did I write B again? So this is A. And it says angle A is congruent to angle B. So I know that we can call this X if you want. You can do it mentally, or we could just say 180 degrees equals 90 degrees plus 2x degrees. Subtract 90 from both sides. So you get 90 degrees equals 2x. Divide both sides by 2. You get 45 degrees equals x degrees. Probably been easier just to do this mentally. So that's 45, and these are 45 degrees. So the measure of angle A equals the measure of angle B. And that's 45 degrees equals 45 degrees. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.